Welcome to the video. As you guys know, I am the Pilot Louie. I'm still a student pilot and I fly at Greenville Airport. It's not a very big airport, but it works great for me. There's not a lot of traffic here, and people that fly here are really nice and really friendly people. We will be taking off from runway 18 today, which indicates the heading that the plane will be flying on. And hey, it's me. Yes, this is also a face reveal video, and yes, headphones on top of my head look pretty dumb. Anyways, now that we're lined up on the runway, let's take off. The plane that I'm flying is a Cessna 150G, which has a rotation speed of only 50 miles an hour, and can take off without using a lot of the runway, as you see now. This plane is only a two-person airplane and has a little four-cylinder engine that puts out only about 100 horsepower. Where it shines though is the fuel burn. It only burns 4 to 5 gallons per hour, which makes it very affordable to fly, to go to flight time and go on little trips. Because it's a small airplane, it's also able to land in a pretty short amount of runway, which is always a plus. The horn you hear now is a stall horn, which is a good thing for us to hear. When landing though, the wheels do screech a little bit, which is me not accounting for the crosswind. But this still makes for an overall very smooth landing. Now that we've flown the pattern and practiced landing, let's go over Carlyle Lake, which, fun fact, is the largest man-made lake in Illinois, and the largest lake that is wholly contained within Illinois. While yes, this view is amazing, and it's one of the reasons that I really want to be a professional pilot, the craziest part of this video is the birds. When birds migrate, they migrate in big groups, but this group of birds is the biggest I've ever seen. The birds you see now are gathered in around the thousands in an unbelievably huge group, and I was tempted to get more shots of the bird, but it's dangerous for my little plane to be flying around by them, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my first airplane video, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Stay safe and fly blue skies.